So today we are going to be learning about subtracting polynomials. And in order to exactly understand what you're subtracting, you have to understand what a polynomial is. A monomial, mon meaning single or one, consists of a single term. And a polynomial, poly meaning multiple or many, consists of several terms. These terms, or a polynomial, can be subtracted horizontally, like so. 3 plus 4 equals 7. And an example of a polynomial being subtracted horizontally is 8b squared minus 8 minus 4, in parentheses, minus meaning subtracting, 2b squared minus 3b plus 1. And they can be subtracted vertically, like so. 3 plus 4 equals 7. And here's another example of a polynomial being subtracted vertically. 7b squared minus 2b plus 3 minus negative b squared plus 1. Now, there are a couple of rules before you subtract polynomials. With subtracting, especially with negative numbers, because of the negative sign, you have to make sure that the second equation is closed with parentheses, like for example this one. Second rule, then change each sign accordingly. So like this one, it's minus negative b squared, so the sign would be changed to minus positive b squared. So if you take away the sign and make this positive, it would be 7b squared plus b squared. After you change all of the signs, you will then arrange like terms and then solve. So here, for example, we have 3x squared plus 8x minus 5 minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 10. So when we put these rules into play, first thing we have to do is close the equation with parentheses. So the second equation always has to be closed with parentheses. And then you change each sign accordingly. So this equation would change to 3x squared plus 8x minus 5. And the second equation, including the negative sign, would be negative 5x, a negative and negative makes a positive, plus 2x, a negative and a positive makes a negative, minus 10. And you solve, arrange like terms, and we no longer have to arrange any like terms, everything is in their place, and now all is left is to solve. So 3 minus 5 is negative 2, x squared. 8 plus 2 is 10x. Negative 5 minus 10, negative 15. And that is your final answer. Another example, the polynomial 10x squared minus 25x plus 9 minus 18x squared plus 15x plus 3. So the first thing we do, like before, put our second equation in parentheses. Then we change the signs accordingly. So this equation turns into, first one stays the same, 10x squared minus 25x plus 9. This becomes negative 18 x squared. Negative and a positive becomes a negative, minus 15x. Negative and a positive becomes a negative, minus 3. So 10 minus 18, negative 8x squared. 25 minus 15. Oh, negative 25 minus 15, sorry. Negative 40. 9 minus 3. Oh, plus 6. And that is your final answer.